everyone, my name is Bella. This is my sister, Callie. And today we are going to make pancakes. And I will tell you the list of ingredients. This is pancake mix and this is the brand I use. And it's 200 grams. And this is malunggay. And this is 2/3 cup of water. And this is maple syrup that I love so much. And this is oil. And we are going to use mixing bowl and blender. So we are going to blend water and malunggay. And now it's time to blend. And now we're gonna pour it on our mixing bowl. Yum! Go. Thank you, Callie. And we are going to pour pancake mix. Go. Gradually.
Ko dayon ma-mix? Ha?
Yep. Just wait.
After mula ako naman?
Mix until it's green and yummy looking. Just like that.
Di man naman. Ikaw naman.
Make sure there will be no lumps. Mix, mix, mix.
Ako naman.
Here. Do you see this? This will be the texture you need. And now we are ready to cook. And next we're gonna spray a little bit of oil.
Butang ko naman ang bell.
And now it's time to pour our butter to the heated pan. Wait for the bubbles to come out and flip. As you can see, the bubbles are out. And it's time to flip. Oops, it's messy, but that's okay. I think it's cooked now. And repeat the process. I love making pancakes, especially with malunggay. And we are done! Healthy and delicious. Malunggay pancake ready to serve. Wow, look at that goodness. Here's the finished product. Look at that yummy product. Try this at home. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Callie, you had to try this. It's amazing. Thanks for watching.